I'm sure you hate it when someone copies you. Admit it's a pain when someone copies your project, copies your formula, the way you make videos, the way you sell, your branding, the way you dress. There are people who copy someone all the time who do something correctly. And that's part of life. It's part of how business works. But this is how I see it. I'm even proud. I'm even honored when someone copies what I'm doing. Why? Because I can't stop them. Because I can't stop them. And for me, all I can do is adapt. So when someone copies me, it means I'm doing a good thing. People only copy someone who's good, someone who's extraordinary, someone who's doing the right thing. When someone copies, I'm happy because there's nothing else I can do. You're just going to be frustrated all the time, all your life, if you want to protect your way, your thing, because there's nobody who can stop it.